Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I'm so glad you're here. Midnight, Friday, I am doing our biggest sale of the year. It's our Better Than Black Friday sale. You're gonna save 25% off your entire order with coupon code BBF25. That code activates at midnight on Friday. It's a great chance to stock up on all your favorite paper and ephemera, stamps, dies. Everything in the shop is on sale with that code. I am doing a free with 60. You'll get a free sparkling enamel dot pack with your order of $60 or more. The free gift listing has to pop into your cart. Then you know your order has qualified. Also free shipping on US orders over $75. I thought I'd go over some of the stuff that's in stock. I did restock some of the favorite paper pads. I'm gonna restock some of these favorite paper pads right before the sale. I wanted to show you the brand new winter gingham paper pad. It is so pretty, so frosty, beautiful colors in here. This will complete your collection of the ginghams. We had the spring gingham, the summer gingham, the fall gingham, and now we have the winter gingham. So that is available. I have the give thanks. So I restocked some of these fall ones. I restocked the Trip to the Orchard. I would shop early for the best selection because they tend to go fast. This is the gingerbread house. We've got plaids for Christmas, dots for winter. The plaids for Christmas and dots for winter are a great companion to some of these paper pads. The ones that went really fast last time were the pumpkin spice season, so that one's back in stock. Here's a cute little card that I created with that paper pad. The peppermint latte one, and these are the cards that I created with this collection. So super cute. And this stamp set is also available in the shop. It's called Snow Sweet. It also comes with that nice peppermint mocha latte seasons sentiment. We've got the pink holiday mugs. This one's always a favorite. It has all these cute little gingerbread, and then with the little mugs and the gingerbread popping out of them. So cute. These are some treat toppers that I created. There's the one with the gingerbread mugs, and this is the one with the fall mugs. Join me on Friday at 3 p.m. Central Time. We're going to do a little crafting while my sale is going on. If you're going to craft along with me, you'll need some coffee sleeves. So I collect these every time I go out for coffee. I save them because I like doing this treat holder project with these. So I'm going to share that with you. You'll need a bag that fits your sleeve. It doesn't really matter how long it is, just enough room to add some maybe hot cocoa packets and stuff like that, candy canes. The 2 coffee pads are restocked. These are the cards that I did using the Coffee on My Mind. And then we have the Fall plus Coffee equals the perfect blend. We have the Fall Love. This is another favorite of mine. I love the images in here. Gorgeous colors. The Fall Mugs Ephemera. These are the cards that I created. Some slimline cards. Really super cute and easy. And there's the Halloween mugs and the autumn plaids for the paper pad. That one's in stock as well. And then the Christmas donuts. I love this one. It is so cute. It's got coordinating ephemera that's adorable. This is the card that I created with that one. Isn't he cute? We have the Winter Friends is back in stock. I know you've been waiting for this paper pad. We have the coordinating ephemera available. Just a very beautiful blue palette. And then let's grab this pile over here. We've got the lattes, cocoa, and cookie paper pad with these ladies holding their lattes. This one is super adorable. Here's a couple of cards using that collection. And then the stamp set here is in stock. That is one of our newer stamp sets. That is the Holiday Cheer stamp set. Love the sentiments on here. Christmas critters. This is so cute. It's got all these cute little animals with little hats on. They're holding envelopes and they have a pen. Perfect for like a Happy Mail card. Little sentiment on there. It says, "Dear Santa, I regret nothing." So cute. We've got Tropical Christmas. What a beautiful card this makes. Perfect for those people that live in the southern climates. So cute. There's matching ephemera. Beautiful paper pad. We have Sweet Winter. Now this paper pad has cutouts inside that you can cut out, add them to your card front, make your own ephemera. Beautiful. We have Brewing It Up. Features these cute gnomes. You got your traditional red and green palette. We've got Sparkling Christmas Wishes collection. Makes gorgeous cards using non-traditional colors such as pink. It's got the coordinating ephemera. So super cute. Love this Christmas tree. We've got Gingerbread Visions, another favorite. This one is gorgeous. I love teals and pinks together. There's the ephemera and then a couple cards that I created with this collection. So get your cards filled up, get ready. That coupon code is BBF25 for 25% off this weekend only. Thank you so much for supporting our small business. Your order means the world to us. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow live, 3 p.m. Central Time. Thanks, guys. Bye.